Well, if you are like me, you love pie. And we're going to find out more about some mini pecan pies. Joining me with more is Leslie Boswell with CommonGround. Leslie, we're excited about this. Tell us more.
Oh, I love a pecan pie. And this is so simple. Everybody says it's easy as pie, but for me, the pie is the easy part, but fluting the edge is impossible. So this one's simple. You take 2 pie crusts, and I found a lid off of a cup that I got at the state fair a few years ago because I didn't have a cookie cutter the right size. This just works. You can put it on there. You can cut it out. There's your circle that you can put into your pie tins. You take a muffin tin and spray it very well with coating. Then you just put these in and smush them down in there. Try not to tear them because then that will leak out and it will stick. They're hard to get out of there. For the pie itself, you've got brown sugar, you've got sugar, and I put a little bit of salt in there. You've got melted butter. You've got 1 egg that I mixed up pretty well before I put it in here. It calls for white corn syrup. I use dark Caro, and then I also have some vanilla in there with that. And last, you add the pecans, half a cup of pecans, and mix it up. That's what it is. It's just, you dump it in there, you mix it up, and you're ready to go. You can measure it a little bit, but what you should do is maybe come up just about halfway, and you don't want to overfill it because then they're going to run over the edges and be nearly impossible to get out of here. Bake these at 350 for 25 minutes. Let them cool in the pan. Then when you take them out, you've got little mini pecan pies that are so good. I love it, but I don't need that much at once. So they can be kept in an airtight container for about 5 days if you put them in the refrigerator. Or what I am going to do with these, the ones that I made last night, I've got wrapped up individually with some press and seal, I think. Put them in a freezer bag. They can stay in the freezer for about a month. Just set them out, let them thaw, good to go.
Great ideas again.
It's super simple. I hope everybody enjoys it.